Hello. This is the car I drove in the snowstorm last night. You can see it better during the day. As you see, the snow is still going strong. It just really is. It's not letting up today. And maybe you can see a little bit better. This is the only car I drove. Can drive in this because it's heavy. It's an all-electric vehicle. Did very well staying on the road and going through this. And there's where I plug it in at, right there, and I use a extension cord to do so. I drove it in this storm last night and today, and it seems like it's not going to stop snowing anytime soon. If that's the case, I might just call off work, because I do not want to drive if it gets any worse. And see the cars and the neighbors snow blowing, and he's really working at it. And the street's pretty bad. Usually people get stuck up here, but today so far not. But I just wanted to show you the weather here in Akron, Ohio. Have a great day.